Hey Stan, thanks for that video you sent about the Lazy Susan that you're using for your TechDeck. I've had these doors up for about 10 years and the raccoons have finally figured out how to open the sliding door and open this lid and dump it all over the walk. So in order to keep them out, what I've done is I have this profile cut out of the hockey puck. For your TechDeck, if you've got it on that Lazy Susan bearing, you can make up a couple of these. That's what I sent down to Thomas in Los Angeles, Thomas Nordic, Steve Vai's guy, and that's what he's used for his. So for any of you guys that have TechDecks out there, if you want to use a Lazy Susan bearing, these are easily found. The combination of the hockey puck stop and the Lazy Susan bearing allows you guys to spin your TechDeck 360 and stop it wherever you want. You have it. I got one hockey puck on each side to stop those raccoons. You know, after getting this video from Stan, I thought, I think there's a lot of guys out there that have been using TechDecks for like 15 years, 18 years, from Germany, Australia, the UK, and I thought it would be cool to start a StringTech hub so that all you TechDeck guys share our little tips and secrets. I thought that could be a lot of fun. Let's give this a whirl, see how it goes. Cheers.